arbitrationagreements.org. How to win employment. Arbitration. Employment arbitration can be a stressful and complicated process, but with the right preparation and strategy, you can increase your chances of winning your case. Before we go over how you can win your dispute in employment arbitration, please give this video a like, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell for notifications so you can stay updated about crucial topics that can help your business save time and money while making your customers happy. Now, if you want to win in employment arbitration, the first step is to prepare your case thoroughly. This means gathering all relevant evidence, including emails, memos, and other documents that support your claim. You should also consider hiring an experienced employment lawyer to help you navigate the legal system and prepare a strong case. Be sure to practice your testimony in advance so that you can present your case clearly and confidently. When it's time for the arbitration hearing, arrive early and be prepared to wait. You may also want to bring a friend or family member for support. During the hearing, remain calm and focused, and stick to the facts. Avoid emotional outbursts or making personal attacks. If you need to refer to any documents or evidence during your testimony, make sure you have them organized and accessible. You should also listen carefully to the other side's arguments and be prepared to counter them effectively. Take notes during the hearing, and do not hesitate to follow up with the arbitrator or your lawyer after the hearing if necessary. Finally, be patient. It may take several days or weeks for the arbitrator to make a decision, so be prepared to wait. With careful preparation and a strong strategy, you can increase your chances of winning your employment arbitration case. Do you have any tips or strategies on how to win an employment arbitration case? If so, leave a comment below right now. Also, if you need help with any aspect of employment arbitration, please visit arbitrationagreements.org. Our association does not provide legal advice, but call us if you or your business want to open a new account or case. Please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell for notifications so you never miss a video about the world of dispute resolution. P.S. Keep in mind that this video is only for entertainment purposes and is not intended to offer legal advice.